Hi guys, I will introduce how to charge our electric mini car, and our car can support home charge, and it can be customization for different countries. And another is support Type 2 for charging station. And next I will show you how to charge our mini car. This is the car plug, and will connect it. And this is Type 2. Type 2 for charging station. This is the charging station, and you will find is the Type 2 connection, and we only need to connect it. Hi, because our battery and the charger have the communication protocol, so we can use the charging station for our mini car.